How to uninstall apps on Windows 10. So let's start it. First of all, click on this and refresh the button, refresh the laptop and search here apps and features. We can search here apps and feature, then click on it and you can see here apps and features windows are opened and you sure apps and feature are clickable. Selected on this tab, then you can go this side and search your app which is your decide to uninstall from your PC. So I want to install which software. No, I want to install a software, for example YouTube. Then click on it. No, I don't want to install YouTube. I give an example for you. Which software I install, because I installed and customized that app for me. So I choose a software which is I don't use and easy for installation after that uninstall. So I choose Opera Stable and decided to install this. So click on this uninstall and click on uninstall button. Then you can wait and you can get delete my Opera user data. So click on it and uninstall. Click on this uninstall and you can click on this yes. You can wait and Opera Mini are uninstalling. So you wait here while uninstalling Opera Mini and you can see here the internet page are open. You close this and close this and you can see here not Opera Mini are installed in this PC. So and you can restart your laptop. So panel your installation are happened. So that's how to install apps on Windows 10. This is final. Thanks for watching this video.